Thanks for logging into myfoxhurricane.com. I'm meteorologist Dave Osterberg. Wow, look at all the names we've gone through so far in the 2023 hurricane season. We're about to add another one to that, Ophelia. Yeah, we're getting down to the end of the list here, my goodness. But yeah, that's potential tropical cyclone number 16 developing. And once it achieves that close low, it's just going to be upgraded to a tropical storm, and its name would be Ophelia. Then the other area we are watching came off the coast of Africa a couple of days ago, and that is marching its way toward the west. So these are the two players in the game. Let's get down to it. The potential tropical cyclone being sheared a lot. In fact, really the winds and the strongest convection in the north and the west, kind of the northwest side of all of this, as it drifts its way up toward coastal North Carolina. It's going to kind of slow down over the course of the next 24 to 36 hours. And as it's sort of spinning up and intensifying, it's going to make that transition into becoming what we call purely tropical, and it's just a tropical storm in general. It doesn't matter whether it achieves the name Ophelia or it stays PTC number 16. It doesn't make a difference. Either way, you're looking at 50 to 60 mile per hour wind gusts into Carolina with 3 to 5 foot storm surge. Yeah, it's going to pull in a lot of water in a few of these areas, plus of course the rain that is going to come down as well. So slow mover, but it'll likely even by Sunday night still be hanging around in parts of the mid-Atlantic. However, interestingly enough, because of this is the reason Florida is getting all that drier air. That counterclockwise spin around the low is drying it out in central Florida. I know, a tropical system making it drier in Florida. Meanwhile, this next area we are watching, most of the computer models just continue to kind of steadily move it west-northwest and then start to take that turn, as we've seen with multiple storms in the past few weeks. Again, something we'll watch because that's days down the road. So there's potential tropical cyclone working its way up to the north, becoming Ophelia. Then we'll just watch this other area moving across the Atlantic. Plenty of time to do so. And by the middle of next week, it's still east of the islands, but starting to take that turn toward the north and the west. That's what we have for you now. Have a great weekend. We appreciate you tuning in.